Hey there, young aviators. Ready for some high-flying fun? Today we're making awesome paper airplanes. It's like magic. Start with a flat piece of paper, and soon you've got a cool plane zooming through the air. Did you know paper airplanes have been around for over 2,000 years? Now it's your turn to join this awesome tradition. So, are you ready to become a paper airplane pilot? Let's get started on our paper plane adventure. All right, future pilots, let's gather our supplies. The best part? You probably already have everything you need at home. First, you need paper. Regular printer paper works great, but any kind will do. Remember, the lighter the paper, the better your plane will fly. Next, you might want to grab some scissors for precise folds and cuts. If you're using scissors, ask an adult for help. Lastly, you'll need your imagination and enthusiasm. With creativity and a positive attitude, you can turn a simple piece of paper into an amazing flying machine. Ready to transform into a paper airplane engineer? Great! Let's move on to making our first plane. Let's start with a classic design, the dart. Grab your paper and let's get folding. First, fold your paper in half lengthwise, then unfold it to create a center crease. Next, fold the top corners down to the center crease. Now, fold the sides into the middle, bringing the edges to meet at the center crease. Fold the entire plane in half along the center crease. For the wings, fold down the top edges about an inch from the bottom. Make sure both wings are even to help your plane fly straight. And there you have it, your very first paper airplane. Hold it at the bottom, give it a gentle throw, and watch it soar. Keep practicing, and soon you'll be an expert paper plane pilot. Now that you've mastered the dart, let's try something more challenging, the hawk. This plane can fly super far. Start with your paper in landscape position. Fold it in half lengthwise, then unfold. Fold the top corners down to the center crease. Fold the top edges down to meet the bottom of those triangles you just made. Fold the plane in half lengthwise. Fold the wings down, leaving about an inch at the bottom for the body. For the secret to the hawk's amazing flight, fold the top corner of each wing up about half an inch. Your hawk is ready for flight. Hold it by the body, give it a firm throw, and watch it soar. Keep experimenting and see what works best. Now that you've made some awesome planes, let's learn how to make them fly even better. First tip, always throw your plane level with the ground. You don't need to throw your plane super hard. A gentle, steady throw usually works best. Try different throwing speeds and see what works best for each plane design. Adjusting the wings can change how your plane flies. If your plane keeps nose diving, try bending the back of the wings up a tiny bit. If it keeps stalling, bend the wingtips down slightly. Remember, practice makes perfect. The more you fly your planes, the better you'll get at throwing them. Try flying in different places too. And don't forget to have fun. Every flight, even the crash landings, teaches you something new about your plane. Keep flying, keep learning, and keep having a blast. Now that you're a paper airplane pro, let's have some fun with games and challenges. First up, how about a distance contest? Find a long space, like a hallway or your backyard. Next, let's try for accuracy. Set up a target. It could be a hula hoop on the ground or a box on a table. Take turns trying to fly your planes through the target. Here's a fun challenge. The time trial. See whose plane can stay in the air the longest. You'll need a stopwatch for this one. Lastly, how about a paper airplane obstacle course? Set up a course with things to fly over, under, and around. The player who completes the course with the fewest throws wins. Remember, the most important rule in all these games is to have fun. So grab your planes, gather your friends, and let the paper airplane adventures begin.